plastic coating and the plywood fake windshield, I guess, if you will. We're going to try pulling that all off. Got to get it off to be able to do some of the pulls. Not real sure how they attached it, but it looks like a bunch of drywall screws, so let's get at it. There we go. Alright, so looks like our dash is a little bit boogered up here, or the dash cover, I guess you'd call it. I don't think it's too big of a problem. Gonna be able to fix that up, no problem. Have to replace some of this wood, possibly. It's on a thin metal plate on the bottom, then this plywood. Plywood doesn't do a whole lot, it's kind of like a bulkhead. So, not real sure what's going to happen with that. Got to get up top and get the rest of this wood off. But, doesn't look too bad. So, see how it goes. Okay, we're going to do a little pull here. Pull this tube out, just a preliminary pull. Get it out a ways here, it should be pretty easy. That's about halfway, got to rechain it now. Only got about 5 inches of stroke on this pull cylinder. Alright, here we go. Needs to go a little further. Oh, we're out of stroke. We're going to rechain it. Here we go. Okay, let's see how that looks. A little bit more. Maybe a little bit more. Alright, that looks pretty good there. I'll show you what I did earlier. Got the old false windshield out, all the plywood off, and you can see the headliner. It's pulled away. Some of that, it's the front cabinets along with the TV mount. Shouldn't be a problem to fix that. I'll pull that small piece of headliner down and fix the wood up that's cracked up there, replace some of that, and should be in good shape. And then this fiberglass cap, what's left of it up here, is all going to come off, and looks like it's going to work out pretty good. So guess that's going to be it for tonight, and time to head in the house.